I wish I was born a monkey. I would sit up in the trees, and I could kick down old fruit if I wanted to. I could if I wanted to. And if I also felt like it, I could sit and pick fleas out of my hair and eat them. But I wouldn't need those bananas so much, 'cause I could fill up on all those bugs that feed off of me. And it wouldn't be too hard to imagine happening to a guy like me. I knew someone who it happened to. Yes, this is true. He said, "Hey Rocco, Rodrigo boy, yes, I have something to say. I was born a monkey. I used to live up in the trees. Hey Rocco, Rodrigo boy, I was born a monkey. And I could sit around and eat papayas that I really liked. And I would occasionally kick down old fruit. And it was so much fun. Yes, it was. I was born a monkey, and I lived up on the top trees. I would just sit there and chew on bananas and papayas and pineapples and other things like twigs. Trees, and I would eat bananas all day and kick down old fruit. And it was fun. I would just sit there and chew on bananas and papayas and pineapples and other things like twigs. He said, "Hey Rocco, Rodrigo boy, yes, I have something to say. I was born a monkey. I used to live up in the tall trees. Hey Rocco, Rodrigo boy, I was born a monkey. And I could sit around and eat bananas that I really like." Ooh, yes it was. Yes I was. Yes I was.